There are most of the people do not understand about what does abstract and modern art says. What is the meaning of such abstract and modern art paintings, even sculptures and all the visual arts. That's why here I am to explain you what does my painting says to you. So namaste, I'm Ram Barkhane, an artist from India. I works in visual arts as you see on my this YouTube channel, and here I am today to explain you about this painting. Its title is Resurgence. So the resurgence means a lot for me. So before everything, I worked on a sketch to start this painting. Its its real title is the strong comeback. Okay, by this word you can understand the meaning, but it's not an outer meaning. It's a deep meaning for me. Uh, so I started to sketch first on a simple paper with a pencil, and its whole concept and its whole movement you can understand like walk through with the eye in that painting is to be like the Fibonacci curve, the golden curve. So that is a golden rule of art, you can understand. And I have not a lot of time in this video to express you all the concepts of abstract art. Here I am to explain you uh, exactly this painting. Its title is Resurgence. But to find this word, before everything, I worked on this artwork. This painting is a visual expression of rebirth, strength, and the unstoppable power of rising again. At first glance, you may see an abstract storm of golden textures moving across a deep, silent darkness. But within this movement lives the spirit of an eagle, emerging from the lower right, ascending diagonally towards the upper left in a powerful and determined arc. This eagle, for me, represents vision, authority, and renewal. It is a symbol of returning stronger after silence, after struggle, and after stillness. The dark background signifies the unknown, the phase of introspection, challenge, or waiting. And suddenly, the stillness is disrupted. A luminous surge of golden energy begins to rise. The textured storm is not chaos, it is transformation. It is the moment when inner power awakens. Through my signature fracturism technique, I build layers of fractures yet flowing textures. These delicate, crack like golden lines symbolize experiences, struggles, lessons, time itself. When seen together, they do not weaken the surface. Instead, they strengthen its character. Just like in life, our cracks carry our comeback story. As the eagle ascends, the atmosphere responds. The sky shimmers, the air vibrates. It is as if nature itself acknowledges resilience. This is not just flight, it is self realization, it is reclaiming one's power. Resurgence is dedicated to those who have faced darkness but choose to rise again. It speaks to leaders, dreamers, warriors, and anyone who believes that setbacks are only preparations for a stronger return. This painting is not just about any girl. This is about you, your strength in your comeback. So go there and watch now. See you again in the next video. Thank you.